so what we got next, after a little bit of confusion of how things were packaged in the solar panel kit, we did find that we have everything we need. What we're going to do is we're going to put on all these brackets. They just come, you put a little bit of Loctite on here too. They come with a lock nut and lock washer. Put all 4 on all corners. Then one by one I'll bring them up to the roof and space them out. It looks like I have room to do 3 across long ways, or I can do 4 but overhang them the edges, not want to hang them over the edges. So I'll probably do 3 and then 1 on one side of the hatch on the roof. That should be a pretty good balance. And then we'll be ready to run the wires through the roof. I got one of these whatever you call it, sealed boxes or whatever, so we're going to pop this thing on the roof. We're going to try to run all the wires through this if we can, and then we'll seal around the base of this so we don't just have like a hole directly into the roof. It doesn't have any sealer in it, so we don't have any leaks. But yeah, so this is the kit. It's wires, connectors, controller, all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna put you on time lapse. I'm gonna get going on this. So I know you guys were super excited for this, just like I was. We finally have our solar panels all mounted. We probably could have used some longer wires from the solar panel manufacturer, just so we could actually reach without them all being kind of weird shapes. But they are where they are. They should be gathering sunlight and energy, which is awesome. We're gonna put that little box in just to run the wires through into the inside. And then we'll run those down to the the brain of the. And just to show underneath what we did here, we've got the bolts coming through. You can see the sealer has squeezed through as well. And I put the big washers in just so it does have a little bit of a footprint and something to hold on to when the wind's pulling on it driving down the freeway. But yeah, they're kind of all over the place. Some you see do go into these metal beams here, into the roof beams, so should be pretty good. I'm excited about it. Glad that they're all in. All right, quick update on what's going on next. We've got solar panels in. I was just about to put the lights in and I realized I probably should frame out the bathroom, so I figure out where the lights are gonna need to be. So if I'm gonna get into woodworking, the 2 things I wanted to get done were bathroom walls and our 2 bench seats. One, the refrigerator will sit underneath and then retract it in and out, and the other one will be for sitting only. That way we'll have an area that's more compact, and we'll be able to fit all the fit 4 people in here, as well as have room to get back to the bed and things like that. So we're gonna go ahead and snip off all the ends of these things that are sitting a little proud here, and then get into the other bench design.